Hey everybody, this is Design and Technology, and today we're going to be exploring a weird anomaly that happened, and I can't explain it. And we're also going to look at some projects that L. Lee has been working on. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
He's pretty little. Anyhow, let's check this out. So the very first thing that's weird is this. I don't know what happened, but there's some major clarity happening today. So what we did was we went back to our pyramid and we created a what are these things called? L? Beacons. We placed beacons at the top, and we've also created a observatory for the archaeologists that will be working on the aquarium. Not the aquarium. What am I talking about? The pyramid. This is an observation area for the pyramid. There you go. Now there's something really strange. There is a floating door. Yeah, check that out. Anyhow, we're just developing this. We used glass panes and blocks. Let's see what else is going on. That's our timer. We like to keep track of the amount of time that we're online. What do we got here? There we go. So I think I exploded some ground over here and caused some flooding. This is a floating... L, what would you call this?
I don't know, sphere.
A sphere. You're building a sphere. Well, we could code that. But we'll see what we could do. Anyhow, something else happened over there. Let's go check it out. So these were experimental pyramids. We have a tree growing out of this one. Al, what do you like about this world?
I don't know, everything.
Come on over. Tell me what you like about this world.
Everything.
Yeah? Specifically?
I don't know. Just everything.
Let's go see the Rainbow Bridge if it's still there.
Oh, it is. I can't find it though. Oh, it's on that island. On one of those. On like one of those.
Right. Over there?
Well, what? What is that?
The pyramids?
No,
field.
the flooding.
Oh,
It's like
that
bubbles of water.
this is where I blew up a full cube of dynamite.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I know you would have. I know you did.
Yeah, I smashed it. Oh, here we go. Now I found
Now we're near the rainbow.
our constant
The
build.
The rainbow bridge is over there. But that one.
No, I think it's over here.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's in the middle of nowhere. Okay, whatever. That's some de-exploded TNT.
Yeah. Here we go. You're right.
Yeah.
It was over here. We're both right then. I like that effect. And flying through it. Pretty psychedelic.
Oh, my eyes hurt.
Your eyes hurt?
Yeah.
That's funny. What else are we doing today? I think that's pretty much it. We just wanted to show you that weird anomaly where when I go in the water... Yep.
Yep, that's so weird.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so nice and clear.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. What are all these bubbles?
I have no idea. What? Oh, it's because of gravel.
What?
No, wait, what?
No, it's just all bubbling. What is happening over here? Leave a comment down below to tell us what's going on, because we haven't the slightest idea. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Design and Technology and Mr. Vicecraft. That's what I'm calling myself.